Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound as usual. You're welcome to fast forward or stay with. All right, the sound seems good. Good morning, Janice. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. Gina says, "Good Friday morning. Please remember to make your donation to your yoga for the start of the new month." Thank you so much for this reminder, Gina. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. We all yearn for connection, yet we often tend to withdraw when we're suffering. Perhaps we feel we don't have the energy to be with other people, or we wish to spare them our pain. But withdrawal only adds to our sense of isolation. It can require enormous willpower to reach out when the impulse is to turn off the lights and hide beneath the covers. but it can also be an act of great self-compassion. So often it's only when we connect with other people that our moods lift and we start to come home to ourselves. The writer Wendell Berry said, "The smallest unit of health is a community. The smallest unit of health is a community." And I want to remind you that in Buddhism, there is something called the three jewels. There are the three most precious refuges in our life. They are what you turn to when you need support or encouragement. And the third of these three jewels is the Sangha, the community of people who are also committed to awakening. To me, Sangha is a central support in meditation practice. Sangha is a community outside the realm of our work life and our everyday life, a place where we refrain from competition and one-upping each other. It's also an opportunity to put the brakes on people-pleasing behaviors. Rather, we tell each other the truth of our experience. The image that's usually used for Sangha in Buddhist community is an image of everyone standing together and maintaining unconditional friendship. They are not leaning on each other. If someone falls, not everybody falls. At the basis of an enlightened or awakened society, there are individuals who are taking responsibility for their own escalations and spin-offs, their own judgments and prejudices. By sharing your experiences on the path, you might be helping another person, and not from an up-down position, but from friend to friend. And Sangha members don't have to live in the same place. They just have to make a commitment to connecting with each other in their practice and openly sharing their experiences with each other, knowing that there will be no judgment, no assessment of any kind, just friendliness and compassion. It is hard to go at this practice alone, and participating in a community of practitioners can make a huge difference, especially when we hit those bumps in the road when our practice is not a smooth sailing. Our mindful morning group is a beautiful example of a Sangha. So I want to dedicate today's session to a practice that's called Loving Kindness Circle, where we just allow ourselves to be here in this moment and to send unconditional friendliness to each other. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into your natural breath, allowing some spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Begin your loving kindness practice with a gentle reflection on the good within you and your wish to be happy. Scan your body and notice how this reflection affects your physical state, your thoughts, your breath. Soften from the inside out. And start repeating after me silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Now imagine sitting in the center of a circle, surrounded by all the members of our Mindful Mornings Sangha, whether they're here with us live right now or not. We will now send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners. And as you repeat the verse after me, allow yourself to receive their kindness and all the good wishes sent to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. With each phrase, you're offering each other a gift, and you're also receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel cared for, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. If your attention wanders away from this circle, away from this practice, or if difficult feelings or memories arise, try to release them in the spirit of kindness and simply come back here again and again, as many times as you need. Remember, here there is no judgment, only compassion. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. You may feel unworthy of receiving all this love at times. Don't worry if that's the case. We all have thoughts and feelings of unworthiness sometimes. It's what being human is about. You can even gently say to yourself, "How human of me." Breathing gently, accept that these feelings have come up. Remember the beauty of your wish to be happy, and simply come back here again. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, cared for, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue reflecting on what a gorgeous gift we're giving to each other through our Mindful Mornings practice. How beautiful it is to have the opportunity to be in the company of like-minded people every single morning. How amazing it is that what started as a temporary support group during the COVID quarantine still goes strong today after 3 years. Thank yourself for your dedication and discipline. Thank each other for being in this together. Even if some of you have never even met outside of our lives. And I thank you so much for this opportunity to guide your practice. Have a gorgeous day. I'll see you tomorrow.